Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we are making an interesting savory cottage cheese muffin. We're making broccoli, salmon, cottage cheese muffins. So last week I posted a cauliflower and tuna cottage cheese muffin, which I'm going to link here. And they are incredible. If you haven't already tried them, you're gonna think, okay, it's a weird combination, but it's a really great combination that really works. I'm a tuna girl. I love canned tuna. I have always loved canned tuna, but I'm gonna say I'm not the biggest salmon lover. I know, and I know a lot of you are just love salmon. I completely get it, but I'm not that person. But my mother is that person. So I'm really making these for her. But obviously I had to try them after I made them, and they were actually very, very good. I used a canned salmon, a wild caught canned salmon, so a really good quality. And I will show you the brand that I'm using later on in the video. So, and the best pairing I think with salmon is broccoli. So I riced some broccoli for the recipe. I'm using some onion and a little garlic powder in the recipe as well. The muffin recipe comes together so quickly. It's such a customizable recipe, guys. You guys have also, mentioned some of your combinations. Someone used mackerel when I posted the tuna one last week, and I thought that was so creative. So thank you for sharing that. But again, guys, these muffin recipes are just so customizable, and you can do really whatever combinations you like. The salmon, obviously is very nutritious, as well as the broccoli. So this is a muffin that is packed with nutrition. So if you are a salmon lover, I think you're really gonna love these muffins. So why don't we take a few minutes and learn how to make these incredible savory broccoli salmon cottage cheese muffins. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to line a 12 cavity muffin tin with silicone liners, or you can just grease them. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. This is 1 large can of wild caught salmon. We're using 1.5 cups of almond flour. You can also use oat flour or a combination. 4 eggs. 1 cup of cottage cheese. This is 2% lactose free. 2 cups of riced broccoli. 1/2 cup of chopped onion. 1/4 cup of milk, any milk. 1/4 cup of olive oil. 1/3 cup of chopped parsley. 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of parmigiano. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And we'll need 1/2 of a lemon juiced. So we're gonna grab a Dutch oven and we're gonna add our olive oil. And we are going to saute our onions for a few minutes. I would say about 3 or 4 minutes on medium heat. We want to get a little bit of color on there. You want to add some salt and pepper to taste. We're going to add our broccoli. We're not here to cook the broccoli, we just want to coat it in the onion and the olive oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper there. Again, just a taste. And we're just going to mix that through until everything is well coated. Next, we're going to add our canned salmon. So I did ensure that I did break that down, and we're just going to stir that through the broccoli mixture. And once we've done that, we're going to turn off the heat and we are going to squeeze 1/2 of a lemon. And just mix that through. And I just like to take it off the heat and let it cool down a little while we make our batter. We're going to grab a large bowl We're gonna add our 4 eggs, our cottage cheese, our milk, and we're just gonna whisk this until it's just combined. We're going to add our spices, our baking powder, and our salt and pepper. And again, we're just going to give that a whisk. This is our parmigiano and our parsley. And we're just going to mix this. And we're just going to add our almond flour, or whatever flour that you choose, and we're just going to mix that through until it's just combined. And lastly, we're going to add our broccoli and salmon mixture. And we just want to mix this until it's just combined, don't overmix. So we're ready to add these to our muffin tin. You can really pack these in and get them to the top of your liners. You can also add a little extra parmigiano on top of each muffin if you like. Or you can even choose another cheese, whatever you prefer. We're ready to bake. 400 for 23 to 27 minutes until they're nice and golden. I like to remove them from the liners and let them cool. Here are our broccoli, salmon, cottage cheese muffins. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these broccoli, salmon, cottage cheese muffins, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements to this recipe and all of my recipes are in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.